DNA is critical when these matters of this nature are handled right from the beginning. Now, DNA testing was done on the victim as per procedure. And the outcome of those who were dealing with the matter was that no foreign DNA could be found on the victim. But in the course of time, there were 3 persons of interest who emerged. Now, that then required further DNA testing. What has since become clear since they started is that the investigation generally followed the correct processes, but of course with challenges present, as I've indicated, that this is a case without witnesses, and it's a case involving a minor, and it's a case where DNA, crucial as it would be, but it wouldn't be comprehensive and get completed in the sense that you wouldn't be able to do the necessary procedural comparisons.